things that girls generally don't talk about.
मैं दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी stalker हूँ. But Akriti has got me coming out of my closet. You don't see Indian men really complimenting women around them. You know?
Probably this is why सब लड़कियों के butts इतने अच्छे हो गए आजकल.
And my butt exposed me.
नारी को आज तक कौन समझ पाया है? Well, you must have heard it numerous times कि लड़कियों को समझ पाना बहुत मुश्किल है और हर लड़के की यही कंप्लेन रहती है. Well, let me tell you ये मुश्किल क्यों है? क्योंकि हम खुद भी अपने आप को नहीं समझ पाते हैं. एक्चुअली जो लड़कियां होती है उनका ब्रेन साइंटिफिकली भी ये प्रूवन है कि उनका ब्रेन जो है वो अलग तरीके से वायर्ड होता है. अ फीमेल ब्रेन इज वेरी डिफरेंट देन अ मैस्कुलिन ब्रेन. एंड क्योंकि हमारा ब्रेन इतना ज्यादा कॉम्प्लेक्स है, हमारे दिमाग में इतनी सारी बातें चलती रहती है एट ऑल द टाइम कि बहुत सी बातें होती है जो हम खुद ही नहीं करते. एंड देयर कैन बी मैनी रीजंस बिहाइंड इट. और ऐसी बहुत सी बातें जो हम लड़कियों को करनी चाहिए बट करती नहीं है. एंड वी women, what we don't talk about is what I am going to talk about today. And joining me today is another brave woman. And ये कौन है इनके बारे में मैं बताऊंगी. But before that, let me welcome everybody over here. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to वार्तालाप with आकृति. This is episode 49. सीजन 1 के फिनाले के सिर्फ एक ही एपिसोड दूर है हम. We are on episode 49 of वार्तालाप विद आकृति. एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी गाइज कि तुमने मुझे इतना प्यार दिया है. यू हैव लव्ड द शो थ्रू आउट एंड आई हैव रीच्ड दिस प्लेस नाउ. एन इनिशिएटिव दैट स्टार्टेड इन द लॉकडाउन, जो अब you know the journey is ending with the season 1, but this is not the end. season 2 भी आएगा, बहुत जल्दी आएगा, and I've already started working on it. So thank you so much for loving us and for watching me live on Instagram and also watching the videos on YouTube, on Spotify, on Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, Radio Public, Castbox, Breaker, and other platforms. Thank you so much. I love you all for this. Okay guys, so आज के टॉपिक में फिर से आती हूँ. पर्सनल केयर, पर्सनल हाइजीन, मेंस्ट्रुएशन, सेक्स लाइफ, रिलेशनशिप्स, सोसाइटल प्रेशर्स, पेट्रियार्की, एक्सपेक्टेशंस, हम लड़की, करियर, एम्बिशन, माय गॉड, देयर सो मेनी थिंग्स जो हम लड़कियां कर रही हैं आजकल. एंड स्पेशली यू नो द गर्ल्स ऑफ द 21st सेंचुरी, वी आर डूइंग मोर, so much more along with the family. हम बाहर भी इतनी सारी चीज़ों का ध्यान रखते हैं. एंड इसी के चलते बहुत सारी बातें होती है जो हम करना चाहते हैं बट नहीं करते हैं, किसी भी रीजन से नहीं करते हैं. तो उन्हीं बातों के बारे में मैं आज बात करने वाली हूँ. और joining me, as I said, is a popular television actress. She is also very well known on you know in the media industry. Entrepreneur भी है, ये मॉडल भी है, ये बहुत ही एम्बिशियस है और you know बहुत प्रिटी और ब्यूटिफुल भी है. एंड along with that she's brave enough to come and talk to me on this topic about all the things that girls generally don't talk about. So please put your hands together digitally, yay, for my guest on the show today, मधुरा नायक. और इनको आपने बहुत सारे टीवी शोज में देखा है. इनफैक्ट ये तो लड़कों को भी सिखा रही थी एट वन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम हाउ टू फ्लर्ट. या शी वाज द एंकर ऑफ सुपर डूड. एंड रिसेंटली वो वीडियो बहुत वायरल हो गया, सुपर डूड वाला. एंड मैंने कहा कि जब मधुरा इतनी स्पॉटी है, आई वॉन्ट टू गेट हर ऑन द शो एंड टॉक टू हर एंड गेट टू नो अ डिफरेंट साइड ऑफ हर. सो लेट मी टेक हर लाइव. Hi Madhura. How are you doing, dude? You look pretty.
Thank you. How are you?
Well, I'm doing good, Madhura. But before we move forward, can I please request you to tilt the camera a little up? आपका सर कट रहा है.
Wait.
Yeah.
Now it's good.
Yes, it's better. You look stunning, dude. Were you shooting for something?
Yes, I was shooting for my Diwali Get Ready With Me vlog. So I just got off that and I came on the live. I literally got off like 10 minutes ago.
Right, लग रहा है एकदम full Diwali makeup. Yeah, I love it. I love the way you've done your eyes.
Thank you. So the makeup is done by Rohit. He is a brilliant makeup artist. And the hair is done by my hairstylist Mahi, and he's amazing as well. So as you guys can see, they've done a great job. I want to say hi to everyone who's joined us here. I'm so glad there are so many people, and I have so many messages coming in. But hi all of you guys. I hope you guys enjoy our little chat and are part of it till the end.
Yeah, and this is like a fun girl talk session. Madhura, before we get to the girl talk, अभी because आप दिवाली का वीडियो शूट कर रहे हो, बताओ ना यार दिवाली पे क्या पहनना चाहिए? What are the trends?
So, this is a look I've created for myself. It's just like a very plain top, a crop top with a skirt, and this is the kind of jewelry I'm going to go with. So this is just one of the looks I've created for people who follow me on my Instagram, people who are looking for fashion tips. So I'm just keeping it very simple this year because 2020 has been a bummer for all of us. So just
Right.
everyone's like losing their Diwali spirit, but I'm gonna keep it up and I'm gonna keep it very nice and simple and elegant, because like I can't wear personally very heavy clothes on Diwali because then I feel a bit suffocated and I feel overdressed at the same time. So I like to keep it simple, but I go all out on the jewelry because that's something I really enjoy.
Right, and this look is actually looking very festive. Is this wardrobe from Lady M? Your
Yes.
brand?
Yes, this is pretty
Is it?
much from Lady M. This is very much from Lady M.
It's beautiful. I request everyone to go check out the collection at Lady M, Madhura's initiative. And I've personally seen your clothing line. They're very fashionable, yeah. I remember you sent me a catalog once. Yeah.
Yeah, I did. I'm waiting for you to come back so you can wear some of my clothes.
Soon, very soon, Madhura. चलो तो बात करते हैं about all the spicy stuff. Are you ready?
Yeah. I'm
Okay.
see what kind of stuff is gonna come my way.
It's all fun stuff यार. I'm sure आपने भी किया है, मैंने भी किया है. सब लड़कियां करती है, लेकिन कभी बोलती नहीं है, कभी बताती नहीं है किसी को. सबसे पहले बात करते हैं घर पे रहने की, ठीक है? बाहर से we all look so nice and prim and proper, like you're dressed up, looking so pretty. I am like all ready. लेकिन जैसे घर में आ जाते हैं ना, घर के अंदर, comfort zone में, how are we?
Oh my god, I don't know about everybody else, but for me, it's so important for me to first get rid of all my makeup. I don't like anything on my skin. I literally have nothing on my skin at home. I don't even have moisturizer on my skin anymore. I mean, when I'm at home, I just don't want anything on my skin. Like, I want my skin to breathe. I want my body to breathe. So you will never see me wearing pajamas also. I'm always wearing like really short.
The conversation got hot with the hot sauce. So you were telling us कि जब घर पे होते हो तो कैसे chill करते हो? Like what are the things that you do when you're at home?
Yeah, so I was telling you that I don't have any makeup on in my house. And the second thing is, you will never see me wear pajamas at home because I want along with my face, I want my skin and hair and everything to breathe, So I am always like in a loose t-shirt which is up to my knees, or like I wear like really, really short clothes at home, Like I really am literally like a cave woman in my house.
Well, Badura, it's not just you, it's every girl. Every girl.
Yeah.
I was reading actually for this session, I've done a survey. मैंने देखा है कि सब लड़कियों ने क्या क्या जवाब दिए हैं, and this is actually the biggest thing with every girl do. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. दूसरी बात जो हर लड़की करती है लेकिन एक्सेप्ट नहीं करती, that is stalking. Have you ever stalked anyone?
मैं दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी स्टॉकर हूँ. I would never say this, but Akriti has got me coming out of my closet and saying that I literally stalk everyone.
And by everyone, what do we mean?
So I stalk my mother,
Yeah.
I stalk my brother, I stalk my friends, exes. So you can't even, I don't even know what to say with it. Yeah, basically stalk everyone.
Yeah, and it's with every girl, especially we all are like these secret detectives जो अपने exes के ऊपर spy कर रही होती है. एक अलग तरीके का satisfaction मिलता है ना जब देखते हैं आपका ex is dating someone who's not as hot as you are, or you just want to know what's happening in their life. Is that how we stalk?
I stalk
You do? Everyone does it. I also do. Let's admit it.
Oh my god. If my ex is stalking me, he will know that I stalk him.
He should not know. Okay, we should just skip this part. No, no, he will not know. But guys, you all should know that girls do that, and guys also do that. यार लड़के भी करते हैं. सब
I'm
अपनी
sure
exes को
my
check कर रहे होते हैं
yeah,
किसके
that's
साथ है क्या कर
everyone
रही है.
does that. Like technology has
And
made it so easy for everyone to know what's happening in everybody's life. Of course, if you're all out there, you know, like you, some people like they start off their days with, you know, taking pictures of what they're eating in breakfast, lunch, dinner. Like absolutely everything of their life is on Instagram. So I mean, if you're all out there, you can. It's so easy to stalk people and know what's going on in their lives. But yeah, I mean, I think everyone stalks at some point or the other.
have you ever made a fake account to stalk people?
No, I haven't. I started my own account.
Kareena Kapoor has done that. करीना ने तो एक्सेप्ट भी किया था मैं फेक अकाउंट बना के करती हूँ लोगों को स्टॉक. हाँ बिल्कुल. हाउ डू यू थिंक शी वाज नॉट ऑन सोशल मीडिया फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट? Kareena, the
Maybe
self
I can stop
proclaimed.
from my. I can stop from my lady and my label account. You know. That's not.
But still people will know it's you. लेकिन करते हैं लोग फेक अकाउंट्स बनाना. मैंने तो नहीं बनाया अभी तक लेकिन हो सकता है इन द फ्यूचर यू नेवर नो. Accepting. Okay, moving on. Let's talk about the next thing that girls don't talk about, and it is about every girl loves attention. Now, what are the
Every
obsessive
girl,
things that girls do for every girl loves attention? What are the
you know,
obsessive
think
things that a
girl,
girl do?
every human being and every living thing needs attention. My dog needs the most amount of attention. He wants attention 24/7, even when he's dreaming. So I don't
Yeah.
know about women, but I feel everyone needs attention, especially women. You know, Akriti, I've
Ab-
started to realize that, especially, I think it's a special situation maybe with Indian men. Like, you don't see Indian men really complimenting women around them, you know. Like, whether it's complimenting your mom or whether it's complimenting your friends or whether it's complimenting your girlfriend, I feel it's very important to keep telling a woman how beautiful she is and how pretty she is and how and appreciate everything that she does for you in her daily life as well. And that is something I feel is very, very rare in our tradition because, you know, I think women are just taken for granted sometimes, don't you think? Like, it's not very easy to get compliments from your loved ones, close ones, like on a daily basis, when I think it's very, very important.
I agree with you. Women are underappreciated for the work we do. Like, आसान थोड़ी है कि घर भी संभाल लो, बाहर भी संभाल लो, काम भी कर लो, खुद भी सुंदर दिखो, प्रिटी भी रहो, and you know you be in the shape also. Plus, in front
Yeah.
of everyone, you're like this superwoman, yeah, out there, and women are underappreciated. I totally agree with this point of yours. क्या कर सकते हैं हम इसको change करने के लिए?
I don't know about what you can do, but I make sure that I keep complimenting all the girls around me. I tell all my friends, oh guys,
Yeah.
you're so beautiful, you're so nice, you're so this. Like, I make sure I appreciate all the women in my life. You know, I do as much
I
as I
agree.
can.
You
I
do
think
that.
that would
You've
probably
done
put
it with
the
me also.
boys to shame. Maybe.
Yeah, I राइट करना भी चाहिए यार. मैं भी करती हूँ. आई ऑलवेज कॉम्प्लीमेंट पीपल जो भी अच्छा लिखता है, अच्छा कुछ कर रहा होता है.
Yeah,
इट्स
yeah.
इम्पोर्टेंट क्योंकि एनी विच वेज इतनी नेगेटिविटी है ना आसपास. एवरीबडी इज जस्ट ट्राइंग टू पुट यू डाउन इन वन वे और द
Yeah,
अदर.
exactly.
It's just a little compliment which can make the other person smile or laugh. Just that makes my day. Right? But we women love attention. और attention को पाने के लिए especially from the crush or the guy that we like or you know someone that special one, we have
Yeah.
done things which are we don't talk about. Like acting like a damsel in distress. देखा है किया है हम सबने किया है.
मैंने सब कुछ किया है. From trying to act like I'm in trouble to troubling to you know, especially like when you're, I feel like you want attention from some man and you're like out and about and the person is not, you know, nice enough to give you compliments or even notice you. So then you tend to even go and flirt with other boys to try and grab his attention. You know, a lot of women do that.
Right. Yeah, women do that. We've done that. We've acted like, अरे और attention के लिए और भी बहुत कुछ करते हैं यार. We also obsess. Like we sometimes lie. Do we?
Do you laugh?
No, I don't. I'm a honest girl यार. मैं तो honest हूँ. मैं नहीं करती किसी को. मैं बोलती ठीक है यार, दे रहा है तो दे दे, नहीं दे रहा तो कोई बात नहीं. तो so many.
Yeah, exactly. लाइन खड़ी है इंडिया में. हम there are how many? इंडिया का पॉपुलेशन कितना बड़ा है? लाइन खड़ी हो जाती है नीचे.
हाँ. और वो भी मतलब थोड़ी गुड लुकिंग लड़की हो तो मतलब बहुत लंबी लाइन है आपके लिए. कितनी लंबी? अच्छा मधुरा, तुम्हारे लिए कितनी लंबी लाइन होगी? लाइक चलो लोखंड वाला से कहाँ तक?
मेरी लाइफ में तो बहुत, सब सोचते हैं मेरी लाइफ में बहुत लंबी लाइन होगी, बट मेरी तो लाइन शुरू ही नहीं हो रही है. मैं तो सोच रही हूँ कहाँ चले गए लड़के.
आंखें खोलो मधुरा, दे आर ऑल अराउंड यू.
मेरी लाइन ही गायब है. मेरा तो सर्कल भी नहीं है, स्क्वायर भी नहीं है, ट्रायंगल भी नहीं है. लाइन कहाँ से आएगी? मुझे बस एक डॉट की जरूरत है. बट डॉट, आई जस्ट नीड वन डॉट.
That's a very smart way to put it. एक ही डॉट चाहिए, उसी को मैं बिंदी बना लूंगी, उसी को रिंग बना लूंगी, सब बना लूंगी.
I forgot to wear bindi for the makeover.
It's okay. You wear it in the next live session, okay? Okay. Now, एक और बात है कि हमें अटेंशन लड़कों से तो पसंद है ही, बट हमें खुद का अटेंशन भी चाहिए और लड़कियों का अटेंशन भी चाहिए. Right? There was a article I was reading, उसमें लिखा था girls get dressed to attract other girls. How true is it?
What? Really?
Girls get dressed to attract other girls.
No. I
No?
don't. I don't
Okay.
believe that because I feel like I dress up for myself. I mean, I always dress up because I want to look good, because I want to feel good. You know, sometimes I get up in a mood where I just dress up. There's no occasion and I just dress up. You know, so I don't think it's to grab anybody's attention. It's just like a very feel good factor. But yes, you'll always see that I always, when I walk into any place, I first notice the women and I compliment them. I like to appreciate good looking women. I like to appreciate women who are dressed well, women who are speaking well, you know. I like to appreciate the good things. I never shy off from complimenting a woman. So I'm always like, I'm always pro women. I mean, like I said, women need to be appreciated. So I always go up to a woman if she's looking good, if she's looking beautiful, if she's you know, good at her work. I always go up to the woman and I will say, "Oh, you're beautiful. You're dressed well," or "I like the way you carry yourself," or the kind of work you do, or you know, I'm always up for appreciation. But I don't.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
I don't dress to get attention from other women.
There is always this thing that when you enter a party, you notice a hot girl first, then you notice a hot guy.
Yeah, I don't
It
know.
happens with me.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
happens with me too. Like, I feel it's very natural when I walk into a place. I always appreciate women who are dressed well because, you know, there's not much creativity happening with men anyway. They just have to wear a shirt and a top. With women, they can experiment with makeup, hair, you know, jewelry, colors, clothes, like everything. Like, you won't see a man wearing a pearl necklace and coming out, right? So, that's
You
not-
can actually. Anything is possible. Now with
Instagram, I saw an actor who's done a photo shoot with like pearl necklaces on, and I really liked those pictures. So I went ahead and I complimented them. I'm like, I love these pictures. These are amazing.
right, and especially now with the men's makeup industry booming, जिस तरीके से वो लोग
का मेकअप बिजनेस बढ़ता जा रहा है, आई थिंक एनीथिंग इज पॉसिबल फॉर मेन एज वेल. दे ऑल आर ऑल्सो वेरी कॉन्शियस अबाउट देयर ब्यूटी एट द मोमेंट. लड़कियों की हम बात कर रहे थे. नाउ there are situations which every girl has gone through, which is about holding on your you want to use the washroom so bad, but you're not going because you are in a public area and you're like, okay, I'll just hold on to it and I'll come back home and I'll do it, no matter how
Yeah,
important or urgent it is.
I do that all the time. Like I do that even at bars. Yeah, so sometimes I'm like at Olive and there's just one washroom and I'm like, I'm not going in there. There's so many people going in there in that one washroom, you know. So I am very particular about these things. Sometimes I'm doing road travel and I know that I have to really go. And then there'll be like a fuel station which has the washrooms and I'll be like, I'm not gonna go in there. I'll just wait, hold on till I reach home. Unless it's like super, super urgent. Then
Yeah.
then I squat.
And probably this is why सब लड़कियों के butts इतने अच्छे हो गए आजकल. Because there is no other option. I really tell every young girl to learn how to squat. It's magical. You cannot use a public toilet. They're gross. And बहुत जरूरत है अपने देश में कि government should take this initiative. स्वच्छ भारत, सबसे पहले toilet साफ करो. Women are actually dealing with problems. So it is not only because they are dirty, but it is also because of our hygiene. हम लोगों को PCOD हो जाता है यार so many times just because you can totally relate to it. You have been traveling so much for your work, and not every place has got clean toilets, and we suffer in such situations. I remember first time when I got PCOD, I was like, oh shit, that was terrible.
Yeah.
But then after that, I am so conscious that I'm always taking care of stuff. Like I have a complete toilet kit that I carry with the toilet papers and pee safe and whatnot, everything. Especially if I'm on a long journey.
True. Yeah, true.
Right? Menstruation.
Sometimes I wish like I had like a portable toilet in the backseat of my car.
There is this device, I was watching online the other day, wherein you can just put it like it's for women, and you can stand and pee like a man.
But
Yeah, you have to really explore social media for such options. Seriously, it's like a phone kind of thing, which, oh shit. Can't believe I'm talking about it.
I want to try that one.
It's available on Amazon, by the way. And don't ask me how I know it.
Akriti is gonna put a link on her Instagram.
Listen, it is. वंदना मैं रिसर्च करती हूँ ना तो बहुत सारी ऐसी नई नई चीजें आती है एंड समटाइम्स इवन आई एम अम्यूज्ड कि ये क्या क्या हो रहा है दुनिया में बट है ऐसा लाइक इट इज अ प्रॉब्लम एंड पीपल आर ट्राइंग टू फाइंड आउट सोल्यूशन. मेंस्ट्रुएशन इज अनदर प्रॉब्लम यार. गर्ल्स गो थ्रू so much pain. Yeah. Menstruation is also another problem. Girls go with so much of pain, and the fact that we are not even able to talk about it to the society, to the people around us. कितनी जगह होता है कि लड़कियां अपने even husbands को या family तक को नहीं बता पाती है कि यार वो periods में है. You want to give a message to those girls?
Women are born with it's a God-given thing. So I don't think there needs to be any. I don't think you need to be embarrassed when you're talking about it. But of course, like it's not an easy thing to deal with it. I mean, your monthly cycle is something that takes away a lot of energy from you, takes away a lot of you are in pain, you go through mood swings, and sometimes you have to work when you're, on it. So I feel like men need to know and need to be aware of this thing. Because obviously men don't go through it, so they don't know how it feels. But yeah, I think you're right. It's important. It's important that people are aware.
Yeah, अभी recently ये भी हुआ ना corporates में Zomato ने introduce किया for all the women who are working in the corporate office कि आप menstruation का leave ले सकते हो. So some women were in support of it, some women were not in support of it. the society is hypocritical to such a level. मुझे कभी कभी तो लगता है कि क्या है, मतलब आप नेचुरल चीज को एक्सेप्ट भी नहीं कर पा रहे हो. टिल डेट पहली बार अभी इसी साल हुआ ये कि एक सैनिटरी नैपकिन कंपनी ने रियली ब्लड को रेड दिखाया है. द कलर ऑफ द ब्लड वाज आल्सो नॉट शोन रेड टिल डेट इन सो मेनी कमर्शियल्स. सो आई फील इट्स हिपोक्रिटिकल यार. यू शुड एक्सेप्ट द फैक्ट. एंड क्योंकि लड़कियां इतनी दबी हुई है, हम बात ही नहीं करते इस बारे में, तो कोई और बात भी नहीं करता.
Yeah.
We all need to open up and talk about it.
Yeah, I mean, if people can talk about feminism and equality and this and that, I don't know why they don't want to address something as natural as this.
Yeah. लेकिन कहो कुछ भी, women power का बोलबाला सब जगह है. Are you watching Big Boss this season?
No, I haven't had the time. I really want to know what's going on.
Oh my God! Let me give you a quick update of what's happening. पूरे के पूरे बिग बॉस के घर में सिर्फ लड़कियों की पावर चल रही है. घर में जितने भी लड़के हैं वो किसी ना किसी लड़की के पीछे या तो लगे हुए हैं, या फिर दबे हुए हैं, या फिर पागल हो रहे हैं उनके पीछे. कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा हो रहा है. But I think women are controlling the house. Apart from राहुल अपना सिंगर, उसके अलावा बाकी सब मतलब ऐसे खोए से हैं. सिर्फ एक वही अकेला लड़का है जो अपने बल पे खेल रहा है. This is what I feel. He and Ejaz as well. They both are doing a good job. Do you have any of your friends in Big Boss this season?
Yeah, Abhinav is on Big Boss. So I think he's the only person I know. And his wife Rubina. I think that they're the only people who I know who are on Big Boss. I mean, that's what I see. I haven't seen the whole Big Boss season yet, so I don't know who else is there. But definitely, my friend Abhinav is on there. And good luck to him and good luck to his wife.
So you think Abhinav को जीतना चाहिए Big Boss?
I can't comment right now because like I haven't seen the other players. It's only when I get to see the other players I can say like who's good, who's not.
Okay. Abhinav is doing a good job. Just that Rubina और Abhinav ऐसे portray हो रहे हैं सामने कि Abhinav is a really जोरू का गुलाम types. तो वो सब काम वही करता है जो रूबीना बोलती है. So, but he's a nice guy. I think he's also smart क्योंकि उसके talk भी बहुत sensible होते हैं सबके साथ.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, Madhura. So, thank you so much for being with me on Vartalap with Akriti. Dude, you were amazing. And oh my God, कितने लोग यहाँ से
address all these people who are sending me so much love and so many greetings are coming in, and I love you guys. Thanks for all your messages. I'm going to read them. And thanks for watching us. Thanks for being a part of this little live session that we had today. I hope you got some insight on what women talk about.
What women don't talk about, what we spoke about.
Don't talk about what we are talking about. But Akriti, I really need to thank you for getting me on this live and coming up with such a brilliant conversation and telling the people that we, addressing all the things that we actually don't talk about, but we're talking about it today. And I think you go, girl.
Thank you so much, Madhura. You were brave enough to come and speak about all these things, and I personally feel कि ये बातें होनी चाहिए. And the show वार्तालाप is also about conversations. जब तक हम बात शुरू नहीं करेंगे, तब तक society में बात शुरू होगी नहीं. And if we have a platform, why not?
Of course.
Right?
When are you coming back to Bombay?
After Diwali.
I'm looking forward to see you. We should actually sit down and have a conversation face to face and then record it, and we won't have all these technical glitches that we're having.
It's okay, Madhura. Technical glitches तो होते रहते हैं, but I completely take your proposal. I'm gonna come to Bombay and maybe we'll go out for a nice lunch, dinner, brunch probably, and have some wine and chill and talk and carry forward this conversation, right? You look absolutely stunning. I think बहुत लोग तो यहाँ सिर्फ आपको देखने आए हैं कि अरे मधुरा की शक्ल दिखे हमें live.
Thank you so much.
Okay, Madhura, you were brave, you were amazing, you're fantastic. I wish you all the best for the Diwali video and for all the new things that you're doing. Hey, before anything else, वो Super Dude में आके बहुत बढ़िया काम किया. बहुत बढ़िया काम किया.
Tanmay Bhatt exposed me. exposed me with all the episodes you've seen on Tanmay. Thanks, Tanmay. Thanks for doing that to me. I didn't even know he's going to pull out that episode. I'm like, what?
Yeah, and I was randomly scrolling through some videos online and I saw you. I was like, oh shit, I gotta watch this. And it was very brave of you to go there and accept it. यार सब करते हैं ऐसी हरकतें, and you were somebody who was teaching guys कि flirt कैसे करते हैं. तो यार brave बात तो है, बहुत guts चाहिए करने को. कुछ सीखा वो शो से, like how are the guys?
I trained them how to compliment women. It's important.
We need more of you. We need you to do that to more guys. और लड़कियों की सारी प्रॉब्लम ही खत्म हो जाएगी इनसिक्योरिटी वाली.
Thanks, Akriti. I think you should keep going at this. I love all your episodes. I've watched some of them. I love the topics you come up with, and I'm looking forward to some more videos of yours. Good luck with.
Absolutely, very soon.
Good luck with Vartalaap with Akriti. I love what you guys are doing.
Thank you so much, Madhura. Lots of love to you. All the best, and I'll share the links with you soon.
Sure. Mwah. Love
Bye.
you guys. Thanks, guys, for joining us. Ciao. Goodbye. Have a good evening and happy Diwali to everyone in advance. Have a blast. Don't burn crackers. Don't trouble the animals and the old people and all the nature that is around us. It's very important that we live in balance with the universe, right?
Absolutely.
All right.
Very important. Happy Diwali to you too.
Ciao.
Bye.
Bye.
So on that note, this was the 49th episode of Vartalaap with Akriti, where we spoke about what girls don't talk about with Madhura Nayak. Happy Diwali everybody. अगले हफ्ते दिवाली आ रही है. I hope सबकी शॉपिंग वॉपिंग कंप्लीट हो गई है. खैर मैंने बहुत सारा मेकअप खरीदा इस बार. कपड़े खरीदने बाकी हैं, वो मैं करने वाली हूँ बहुत जल्दी. And yeah, as Madhura said, Happy Diwali. Stay safe. Don't burn firecrackers. याद रखो यार, कोरोना अभी भी चल रहा है, खत्म नहीं हुआ है. So stay home. And next weekend is the finale episode of Vartalaap with Akriti. So I will see you there. And यार ऐसे ही प्यार देते रहो ना, सब जगह देख लेना मुझे. YouTube पे भी देखो चैनल पे बहुत सारे वीडियोस है. Spotify पे आ गई हूँ मैं अब, so you can listen to me also like while driving. गानों के साथ साथ थोड़ा बहुत Vartalaap with Akriti. Maybe I can talk to you through this little bit of chat session, guys. Okay, I'll see you now next weekend. In the meantime, you can enjoy the videos that I post. And ये तो मेरा signature step है. Bye.